Hey everyone. So on Saturday the 21st, I'm going to be in Abbotsford at the Snowbird RV show. Basically, a lot of vendors are set up. There's representatives from a lot of the RV dealerships in the area. Not Woody's, but I believe that's a political thing. You will see a lot of Fraserway and some of the other companies there. I'll be there around 12 or 12:30 and sticking around for a couple hours. I'm not getting a booth. I'm not hanging out for the whole show. But I will be there on Saturday for a couple hours, checking out the RVs, getting a little footage. If you see me, come up and say hi. Don't worry if I'm recording. You can always interrupt me. I love seeing fans, and I love seeing the followers that are out there and subscribers. So don't hesitate to come up and say hi. I hope to see you there. Again, Saturday from around 12:30 to 2:30, I'll be there. Hope to see you there.